1.42 trillion PEPE tokens worth $25 million. That's the kind of whale activity you've got going on. That is one whale on PEPE coin. We have a massive bull market coming up in 2025, one that is going to be probably bigger than any that we've ever seen before in terms of the potential that the total market cap could get to. And you've got whales coming in with $25 million purchases over the course of a week, just in a week. And this is one whale. Let's talk about PEPE coin. I've got a key channel that I'm looking at for PEPE right now versus the dollar. I want to take a look at PEPE coin versus Bitcoin on a day where Bitcoin dominance is showing weakness and PEPE coin is showing strength. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's talk about PEPE. Elon Musk has been talking more and more about PEPE just through some of his posts on X. He's been putting out a bunch of the memes on PEPE, and when you look at CoinMarketCap, you're going to see this is very much considered one of the top memes. It's at the center of this ad for Uniswap, one of the largest dexes on Ethereum. Guys, PEPE coin is, as we've said so many times on this channel, the chosen one. It is so much so that we have, again, Elon Musk talking about it a lot lately. Now, taking a look at the market for the day on this beautiful weekend, we've got a $94,000 Bitcoin, a little bit down from its 108K level just the other day. Bitcoin's up 1% today. Ethereum is up 2.4%, signaling that we have some altcoins showing strength. You got Doge up almost 4% today. Solana's up 5%, trying to get back to $200. You got Binance token that's up today. XRP's hanging out close to that $2 level that we talked about recently. But over the last 24 hours, you're going to see that PEPE is the fifth largest mover on the day, up 6.21%. So what the heck happened? If you want to trade PEPE coin by yourself, by the way, you could sign up for Blowfin using our link. Check it out, up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you sign up and 10% discount on trading fees for life when you sign up using our link today. You'll get grandfathered into that, so check it out if you want to. This is the story about the PEPE whale that I want to talk to you guys about to start this thing. Recently, a PEPE whale repurchases, keyword repurchases, 1.42 trillion tokens amid market dip. If you read into this a little bit, the third largest meme token, PEPE, is showing signs of resilience. No surprises there. A significant whale recently repurchased 1.42 trillion PEPE tokens worth $24.5 million following a previous profit-taking event. This accumulation spread over 6 days, about a week, suggests a strategic buy-the-dip opportunity. One thing we preach a lot on the channel is when you get a dip, it is a gift. Buy low, sell high. So here's what you got, guys. You probably had, and I don't have the data on the specific whale, but this is probably what happened. You probably had that whale looking at our November peak, and then it came in here into December, and this whale probably took some profits here, reaccumulated back down here, took some profit up here, and probably reaccumulated back down here. That is the thing that whales can do. Now, the guy is probably holding PEPE the entire time, but imagine having $25 million, okay? $25 million, okay? Think about this, guys. What if the whale sold up there? And that's what caused such a big dip. Or let's just say that the whale sold right there, okay? Could have potentially been buying in at these levels at a 40 or 20% discount. A 25% discount or a 40% discount with $25 million. Guys, that is getting basically an extra 5 or more, about $5 million or over worth of extra money worth of tokens when you really think about it. If you take profit up there and it comes down 25%, you saved $5 million when you think about it. You saved, more than that, to be honest with you guys. It's actually quite astounding. And this is what whales do all the time. And they're not doing it in one fell swoop. They're selling it in big chunks, and so what they'll do is, they'll see channels, right? There's very clear channels that are being traded on coins at any given time. You can see there's one here. So what, a whale might do is sell here, buy, here, sell here, buy here. Or maybe they just sell here because they saw there was weakness. And then, boom, one more sell right here because it officially broke out of the range. It's coming down. Now they're accumulating. This is a whale accumulating, right? You can see then maybe there's some more selling from some whales here. The reason that charts do this is because there's always whale games going on, and the bigger the market cap coin, like a PEPE, which is currently sitting at like an $8 billion market cap, the bigger the whales are going to be, my friends. So right now, let's look at what the key channel is for PEPE coin. Currently, it's this. Now, we're on the 4-hourly candles. I'm going to come down to the daily candles for you because this is the range that I'm really seeing right now. We're going to see some potential resistance for PEPE at 4019. And if we reject off that, PEPE is going to come back down to 4017, at least on a wick, okay? And we could be playing this game. The funny thing about this wedge that could be playing out for a little while, this goes all the way into January, about January 10th, 13th, okay? So maybe we're hanging out in that range for a while for PEPE. The reason that that's possible to me is because our total market cap, guys, as much as I've been talking about on our channel how I believe that we could see this kind of Nike swoosh pattern, right? Here's your Nike swoosh. A bounce off $3 trillion. It doesn't happen in one fell swoop. It's happening in a slow, painful, scary way. We had 2 daily red candles here in a row. Now we're having a green candle today. PEPE's coming back up. We've got whales accumulating. I think the whales are accumulating down here, and I think that the smart money is accumulating, and the dumb money, which is retail, that's a term. I'm not calling retail dumb. I'm retail. I'm not calling myself stupid over here. Not calling anybody stupid, but they call it smart money is the whales, dumb money is retail. That's just a terminology. Typically, smart money's buying down here, and dumb money is the one that's panicking in these levels and then going, oh no, why did I sell my PEPE? Oh no, why did I sell my PEPE? And so what we scream to you guys is, look, if we've got a total market cap that could go all the way to $10 trillion, we are just past our $3 trillion high. We've got a total market cap that could go much higher than this. You've got national strategic reserves talking about it for Bitcoin. You got a lot of things coming down the pipeline here. We've got a lot more upside in this bull market. Historically speaking, you look at what happens in a Bitcoin bull market and you go from the lows to the highs, guys. And let's just, again, I'll show you guys one more time here on this channel. From the bottom of 2018 to the top of 2021, it's about a 1,059-day stretch. That's 1,000 days. You just saw it on the screen. Let me pull it back up, and I'll show you guys where I see that. 1,070 days, 1,050 days, about 1,000 days from the bottom to the top of a bull market. Right now, we are only 791 days into this. If we go out 1,000 days, 1,050 days, let's pretend, that takes us to September of 2025. I believe that this bull market is going to continue into August, September, possibly October of 2025. So right now, as we are trading in this range, is there a world where PEPE breaks lower out of this range and comes down and retests off some of these previous highs at 4013? That is a possibility. That could happen if total market cap bounces off 3 trillion. That could happen if Bitcoin slips past this 94K region, which I recently have actually redrawn out this channel, and it looks like perhaps maybe Bitcoin is finding a floor. I actually had my channel drawn up here for a while, and we were seeing some potential rejections off here. Well, potentially we're finding a new floor, and maybe we can open up this channel and look at it this way. I don't like to change my channels. It makes me feel more, I hate to say it, quote, bearish, which is why we were talking about an 85K level lately. But just when you think you know what's going to happen, something else completely happens. So you have to be able to pivot in this market and understand where floors and ceilings are forming, know what is support, know what is resistance, and then you can pick trades off that. So for PEPE, if you want to make some trades, you might see some resistance here at 4019. If you break through it, maybe we're going to break through it, find support, and bounce a lot higher. We do have whales accumulating. $25 million worth of PEPE coin. I'm not surprised. I think it's a fantastic accumulation zone. If you look at PEPE versus Bitcoin, this is also right now in a sort of wedge pattern. If you take a peek at this as well, kind of showing this slightly for you guys right here. There's going to be a breakout on this sometime, and it looks like in early January as well. I want to show you guys this. The good thing right now for PEPE and altcoins in general is Bitcoin dominance is coming down, rejecting off of a level at 59% that we bounced off of back on about December 20th, December 21st. As if you can see this continuing coming down to the downside, we could see PEPE breakout versus Bitcoin again, and it's right at the precipice of potentially doing that. So what we might see Is Pepe breakout versus Bitcoin if Bitcoin dominance keeps coming down? And then that could mean that Pepe might break out of this range and maybe not go all the way to the peak here. Right now, Pepe is just way off its previous highs. 50%. You could get a 50% gain on Pepe if it goes back to its previous highs. If you take a look at Pepe coin, I want to remind you guys, here's an article from Binance Square. And in this article, it's discussed because I'm not the only one talking about this. Black C's been talking about this, and the internet has been noticing that Elon Musk, billionaire innovator, re-owned his love for memes, created buzz for Pepe recently. In a post on X, he shared a meme of how certain users on social media platforms treat information and news featuring Pepe. He's talking about Pepe. Elon is talking about Pepe. I believe that Pepe coin, which is currently almost at an $8 billion market cap, could go to a $100 billion market cap in this bull market, guys. 10x gains. Over 10x gains for Pepe still. It's mind-blowing. I think it's possible. If you want to trade Pepe for yourself, sign up via Blowfin using our link in the comment section down below. If you want to trade for yourself, you could buy spot here. You could do leverage trading. Be careful, guys. That's all I have for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. DCA hodl, my friends. And of course, I will see you in the next one. I got 2 videos here if you want to check them out. See you next time, y'all. Peace.